Namaskar everyone. Long awaited day has come. Bal Bharati International School welcomes you all. We are fully prepared to resume our classes. There are some certain rules and regulations to fight against COVID-19. So I would request all of you to follow them sincerely. Though the buses will be working for the transportation of your child, but in case if you are planning to drop your child yourself, I would request you all to please drop them at the main gate, as except school transportation, no vehicles are allowed to enter the school premises. अगर आप बीइंग पेरेंट प्रबंधन से बात करना चाहते हैं और मिलना चाहते हैं तो आपका स्वागत है। आते ही गेट पर आपका टेम्परेचर चेक किया जाएगा। इसके बाद हैंड सैनिटाइज़र से आप अपने हाथों को सैनिटाइज कीजिए और अपनी एंट्री स्वयं या गार्ड द्वारा रजिस्टर में दर्ज करवाइए। कृपया इस कार्य में गार्ड का सहयोग करें ताकि हम सुरक्षा के आयामों को भलीभांति निभा सकें और एकेडमिक बिल्डिंग की तरफ पधारिए। If you are a student coming by school bus, as soon as you enter the school, get down of the bus having mask. Please mind, no students are allowed to come to school without mask. Put your mask and come to the school. As soon as you reach the school, get down of the bus and divide yourself into 2 rows. अपने आप को 2 पंक्तियों में, 2 कतारों में विभाजित करें और आगे बढ़ें। As you reach close to the porch, you will be finding your teachers on duty for checking your temperature as well as providing you sanitizer to sanitize your hands. As the process done, please move forward. और आप अगर अभिभावक हैं तो जैसे ही रिसेप्शन पर पहुंचते हैं, बूट बाथ ट्रे में अपने जूतों को सैनिटाइज करें, क्लीन करें और फिर रिसेप्शन पर पधारें। Being students, you are expected to move forward to reach your classroom. The second gate is made for all the students. Please maintain the distance and you will find the marks on the floor to maintain proper distance. एक पॉइंट पर पहुंचकर you will have to make one single line only. So please wait for your turn to come. और इस तरह सिंगल लाइन में आगे बढ़ते रहें। जैसे ही आप प्रवेश द्वार पर पहुंचते हैं, आपको वहां एक बूट बाथ ट्रे मिलेगा। प्लीज पुट योर शूज इन इट। दिस ट्रे इज फिल्ड विद hypochlorite solution which kills all the viruses. And then as you reach at a counter, you will have to submit your consent letter. अभिभावकों की सहमति के बगैर विद्यालय में प्रवेश वर्जित है, अतः सभी विद्यार्थी अभिभावकों की सहमति पत्र के साथ विद्यालय आएंगे। Your consent letter is mandatory. As you submit your consent letter, you will be reaching the class. Your teachers are already there waiting to suggest you your sitting arrangements. The sitting is made in such a manner that each bench will be given to one child only. So sit accordingly. Your classroom rules and the timetable will be found on the board. यहाँ आपकी पढ़ाई शुरू होती है। दोनों ही मोड्स में आपका क्लास चलेगा, ऑफलाइन as well as online. You will have to attend your class either the way. And now onwards we will start counting your attendance. और आपका अटेंडेंस कंपल्सरी है, या तो आप ऑनलाइन क्लास ले रहे होंगे या फिर आप ऑफलाइन स्कूल में अपनी प्रेजेंस देंगे. Try not to come out of the class having no reasons, but for emergencies you are allowed to come out. You will be finding red mark all over the corridor which are meant to maintain distance. Whenever you walk, please maintain a proper distance and walk in the corridor. While going for natural calls and any other emergency, the distance is to be maintained. Water supply has been provided. Every time only one child will be allowed to go and fill the bottle. Beware, you will not be drinking water here, but you need to bring your own bottles. For washrooms, you will be finding soap cake and liquid soap available. Please use them and keep washing your hands frequently. Take care of yourself. Be hygienic. Dear students, all my team is ready to support you by all the means, but please beware, you will have to bring your own water bottle from home and tiffin as well. No food will be served in the school. No group activities will be performed. So I would request all of you to not to leave your classroom having no reasons and keep maintaining distance in the class. Please follow all the instructions and rules made against COVID, and let's make a healthy, happier environment and study hard. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.